This video will demonstrate how to use filters within Estimation MEP.
To open up the filter panel, click the filter icon on the left-hand side toolbar. You may choose to filter by any users who have contributed annotations to this drawing. You may also filter by annotation type. Non-takeoff annotation type refers to rectangular, polygon workspaces, and any of the shape annotations shown here, which includes polygon, rectangle, circle, note, arrow, line highlighter, freehand highlighter, dimension, and linked views.
Linked refers to any length, count, or area annotation which is linked to an item in the audit trail.
On deactivation of a given filter, those annotations are brought out of view, and on activation, they are brought back into view. Same functionality applies to layers in that any annotation which is associated to a given layer is brought either in or out of view when activated or deactivated.